Hello friends, today we'll be covering pagination. Now to start pagination, let's create a fresh report. So I'm right clicking on report, going to add new item and giving the name pagination. Add. Now here in this new report, we need to add the data source. So right click here, add data source and give a name like DS pagination. Now I am using the shared data source here that is already created, and now create a data set. Give the name DS pagination and use the data source that we have created and add the query. So I have added the query. Now check the fields whether the fields are populated. Fields are populated, fine. Now click OK. Now in the report design section, we need to bring in the fields. So for that, first we need to take a table here. So let's take a table, add columns, now I'm adding date here, which type, let's say order, issue raised, average time per issue. Okay, now let's preview the report. See, we are getting the data, but we want to know that how many rows are coming in a particular page. So let's add row number here, and here add some expression like row number, and in bracket provide nothing. Okay, so once this expression is added, we'll get numbers. So we're getting numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 all the way till 40. Now the thing is we need to specify how many rows will come in a page, and multiple the data will come in multiple pages. That is the concept of pagination, right? So for that, one option that we can do is we can go to extension, hold on for a minute. So you can go to extensions, report properties. Now for that, go to extension, report properties. So here paper size we can change it to, let's say, A4. Let's preview and see how many rows are coming in a particular page. See, the number of row has been increased. Okay, now this is not a good way to do the pagination. So how the pagination needs to be done? So for that, we need to add a group. Let's add a parent group, and in the parent group section we need to add a expression. Row number nothing divided by how many rows we want in that in one particular page. So let's say I want 10 rows and add ceiling function here. And add a group header. Now let's see. Look, we are getting an error, right? So to resolve this, what we need to do is we need to go to group properties. Under sorting, we need to remove this sorting. Now let's see. See, for 1 to 10 we are getting 1. For 11 to 20 we are getting 2. In this way we are getting the numbers, right? Now we need to add a page break. Page break is required for pagination, and delete this particular row. Let's keep that and see how the data comes. Right, we are getting 10 rows per page. Okay, now we can remove this particular column. This is no more required, and we can remove this particular row as well. See, we got 10 rows per page. Now let's increase this date size of this date column and see. See, we got 10 rows per page. So moving to the next page, 11 to 20, next page 21 to 30, next page 31 to 40. This is the way how the pagination needs to be done. Thank you for watching this video.